Jenny Chauhan from class 8. I am going to tell you about coal. Coal is a black colored substance like a fuel. It is used to cook food. It gives us carbon dioxide when it burns in air.
Good morning to all. My name is Manajan from class 4th. Today I am going to tell you about safe time. Plants are very crucial part of our lives. They are our lifesavers. Trees are the most precious gift.
Good morning everyone. Myself Mohammad Rihan from class 9. Today I am going to tell you about chemical reaction. Chemical reaction is the process in which new substances with new properties are formed. It is of 5 types: combination reaction, decomposition reaction, oxidation and reduction, displacement reaction and double displacement reaction.
Good morning to all. Myself Isra Chaudhary from class 7. Today I am going to tell you about magnets. Magnet is a material which attracts iron on itself. There are two types of magnets: permanent magnets and man-made magnets, and temporary magnet also. Permanent magnet.
My name is Purshil Yadav. I am tell you about homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture are those who dissolve in water, and heterogeneous are those who not dissolve in water. Example: turmeric, sugar, salt are homogeneous.
My friends, I am Manashvi Gupta from class 8. Today my topic is for presentation is the value of time. Time is really precious and important for all of us. Therefore, we should never waste time. Our whole lives around our time. Time is really important in our lives and plays a significant role. Therefore, we should respect and also understand the value.
Today I am going to tell about our environment. Environment is the fountain of life. It is made up of all life forms and their surroundings. It determines our growth and development and directive. Human beings depend on environment for water, food, shelter, etc.